Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I think I have something pretty special for you guys, but it's impossible to say until I actually get into this DHL bag. So we're gonna do that together. It's a fairly... I don't know. I can't really tell. I can't tell. I have no idea. Let's find out together. Thanks so much to whoever sent this. I think I know, but let's find out. Thanks to whoever sent this. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Let's not wait any longer. You know, I could have taken this off, I guess. It's kind of silly. I totally could have taken the wrapper off before I got into the box. But, okay. Now it's off, and now we're going to get into the box. And, you know what? I think maybe we just, we skip around and we just bust through some walls and maybe not do it the right way. Let's do it like that. Okay. We're in. Not the most graceful. Okay, we have a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, this is definitely not. No, it absolutely was not what I was expecting. At all. Not at all. But we have a bunch of new things. You know what? That's fine. We're going to open them. Thank you very much, Kaiser. We're going to open them all up right in one video instead of separating them out into multiple videos. I have too much stuff for the holiday season. We just got to check all this stuff out. Okay, we have something called the Kaiser Assassin. I have to move all this stuff over, otherwise the camera tries to focus on it. We're going to do all of the more budgety stuff first, and then we're going to get to whatever's in that premium box. So first up here we have what appears to be a Kaiser button lock with some, what on earth is going on? This is some intriguingly lumpy carbon fiber. You guys see there? This feels exactly like what you would assume. It is a laminate, so we have lumpy carbon fiber and then G10 underneath. I'm not the biggest fan of laminate carbon fiber. It's like make it carbon fiber or make it G10, but you know what? It does look nice, so okay. And you know what? It's also probably not horribly expensive. 154 cm. Yeah, a little bit of extra travel and a little bit of lock stick, to be honest. But usually that equates to, you know, we got to get the gauntlets out. These are essentially these have been augmented with button lock testing +5. It's fine. Kaiser does a good button lock. Generally, when you feel a little bit of lock stick on a button lock, it's not necessarily the worst sign because it'll break. It means that there's some pretty good engagement, usually. Actually, that may have knocked most of the lock stick out just now. We still locking up solid? Yeah, for sure. Okay, 154 cm and just a little bit of lock stick left. I mean, it sounds worse than it is. Yeah, it's almost, sometimes it's not even wanting to do it, like right there. Steel liners, basic clip. I'm going to guess this is a pretty inexpensive knife. So, okay. This is just an unboxing and first impressions, guys, not a review. These will get their own reviews down the road. So next up we have the, I'm kidding, the coup. That can't be an M. It's not an M. I'm not going to, no, I'm sorry. I almost said it. It's got to be an H. Well, the designer is Bree. I'm sorry, it's just the printing. Okay, 154 cm, micarta, and it's also a button lock. Believe me, we're gonna test it. Okay, oh, okay, yeah, I feel like, have I seen this one before? Come on now, come on. I don't think so. I've seen this kind of rectangle body design before where with the blade housed within the frame, it creates a perfect rectangle, especially considering that back here we have, it literally makes a rectangle. Okay, kind of neat. If you're big on that type of symmetry, then you might really enjoy this. Front flipper works okay. It's a little awkward because it's kind of stuck in there. I think this is just debris on the blade, yeah. Some type of black coating, maybe Cerakote. And then we have, okay, it's definitely an H. Just to confirm. Just to confirm. I'm stupid. Okay, 154 cm. Oh man, I've just got to get myself together now. We got a nice choke up position right here. Yeah, it's all right. I mean, it's a little bit different. I mean, kind of. I've seen this kind of design before, but it's a little bit different. And then we have ambidextrous mounting positions for the clip, so that's nice. Honestly, pretty good deployment between the flipper tab and the thumb stud, right? Let's go ahead and test that button lock, though. You know we have to do that. Once everybody starts making super reliable button locks, then I can stop doing this, but it's pretty good. 5 medium strength waxes. That's good enough for me. That's all. 5 medium strength wax, all it takes for good confirmation. I'm sorry. Oh, man. Next up, what do we have from Kaiser? We have the dogfish, 154 cm aluminum, and it's also a button lock. Okay. No jokes to be made here. I mean, unless you guys have some, feel free. Knock yourself out, right? Oh, that's kind of cool. Ooh, I like the texturing on that. That's something that's not done enough on aluminum is texturing. Sorry, man, just garbage everywhere right here right now. When we have a crowned spine, can we get in here? Yeah, you kind of can. That's a weird one, but you know what? Honestly, it's really comfortable. Nice choke up spot. Good complementary position for your thumb there. It's a little tricky to get at that rectangle. It's kind of weird that they have that shape and so much is hidden underneath the frame, right? But the button lock action is good. And fortunately, you don't even have to use that. You have a rear flipper and you also have, honestly, a pretty good front flipper. And I think the reason is there's so much jimping all the way around. Yeah, okay. Dogfish. I feel like either there's another knife that I'm somewhat familiar with that has that name, or I've handled this before in just another form. 154 cm. Let's give it a test from the gauntlets here. Why doesn't he just wear regular work gloves? Don't worry about it. You think you take safety as seriously as I do? You don't. Okay, Kaiser dogfish. And then finally, what do we have for the last one? Oh, it's gone. No, it's not. Here it is. Oh, this is a new drop bear. Okay. S35VN blade, black, dark matter, and clutch lock. Which means that's their bar lock, correct? Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me, Alexa, I'm not talking to you. Alexa! That's right. All right. Anyways, what we have going on here. Stupid lady listening to my YouTube channel. We got actually, that's pretty cool. Look at this combination purple and aqua dark matter carbon fiber laying over some stainless steel liners, S35VN blade, and of course the clutch lock. I think probably Kaiser's most popular clutch lock model. I mean, at least that's my perspective. That's a nice pocket clip. Is that a milled steel clip? Hold on. Let me get my magnet. No, that's titanium. Are the liners? Yeah, the liners are steel. Okay, S35VN titanium clip. Nice titanium clip. Ambi mountable. That's very good. I mean, the drop bear is just a great model. If not this one, then check out the drop bear in general, because this is just a nice model. I mean, I've reviewed this knife. It's good. It's got a positive review. Whatever form you like, you're good to go. That's a recommendable knife. So, okay, cool stuff. I'm not going to try to move all this stuff out of the way. I'm just going to lay all these down. These are all interesting models. I feel like, are these two the same designer? I just get a similar vibe from these two. Okay, maybe not. And then Rectangle Boy. There we go. That was a weird unboxing. I will link each of these knives individually in the description so that you guys can check them out. But they will all, save for the drop bear, because I've already reviewed it, get their own individual reviews. So you guys can check those out down the road if you want to. Thanks again to Kaiser for sending these in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Oh man, hold it together. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.